What the fuck? No. Anime? What the fuck is that? Oh, I might as well just take it in my house. What's up? It's your boy, the Harem God. So today, I got a new box. A loot anime box. I got a 3-month subscription, so you got 2 more guaranteed videos within the next 2 months. 2 more videos. Easy money. Yeah, well, easy views. I don't make any money yet. Damn. Alright, so let's get into this freaking box. Alright, this month's theme was action. So let's see what's in this fucking box. Ugh. Alright. We got us shirts right here. Very nice shirt. It's a Alita Battle Angel shirt. That design is alright, because I guess that's like the heart of one of them or something. Look, but it's really minimalistic. I'm not a fan of this shirt. Might give it away. Or might just wear it, because who says no to free clothing? Alright, let's get into this. No, that's not what I'm getting into. That's an exclusive. Can't really have that out yet. That'll be the grand finale. I got this bandana from... Wait. Claymore. Oh, and I gotta put everything on that I got. This is a bandana from some anime or shit called Claymore. I'm gonna put on the shirt, but not all the way. Cause, you know, I'm gonna just wear everything I get in these. Eh. Wait a second. Oh, God. Oh, cool. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is alright. It's fine. If we'll just go in the fucking... There it is. This is fine. This is grade A content right here. Alright. So the next thing that we got in here is some Naruto socks. If my mic is still picking up me saying Naruto, hopefully it is. It's not muffled and shit, or I'm about to reshoot this video. But you guys wouldn't know that because I'm not good. So I'm actually not going to open these yet because I'm not really a fan of Naruto. I'm surprised these socks aren't made up. Wait, let me see how much of these are filler. Yep, this is 98% filler and 2% spandex. Definitely high quality merch. I like the socks, but I don't like Naruto, so I might just give those away. Alright, let's see what's next in here. Is this a manga? Wait a minute. Words. It's a novel. It's a freaking novel called Goblin Slayer. Might be interesting. Let me read the first lines. The brutal fight was over. he ground his boot into the slain goblin's cadaver. He was stained crimson from the monster's blood. From his grimy steel helm and the leather armor to the mail made out of chain-linked metal rings that covered his whole entire body. I might read it. I gotta wear it though. I don't know how I'm supposed to wear a book. Is this good? Is this good? Is this good? I guess it's good. And let's see. We got this little pin from. Yeah, isn't this that one about the them diamond peoples? Or it might be a different one. It's called Land of the Lustrous. Let me get a good close up on that. Yeah. I don't really want to open it because I'm going to end up losing it. But this will be put on my shelf somewhere. But I gotta wear it, so. Oh my god, this is really trash content. I look like a trash bag. And the last thing in here is a Loot Crate exclusive for June 10th in Zodiac War. Now this is an anime that I've absolutely most definitely heard of, but never watched, even though the person that did one of my favorite harem anime made this anime. Same people that produced it did this, but I never got around to watching it. Tell me in the comments if it's any good. Let's open this. I'm going to keep the box over here. Alright, now I gotta wait. Oh, that's gone. I'll probably find it next week. And now let's get into opening this. Oh, it's a coffee cup. Is this one of them coffee mugs? Yep. This is definitely for hot drinks. Hot drinks. So when I'm drinking my hot white ice cream, it'll be good. Ooh. You hear that? That's actually got some nice acoustics to it. It's a very nice cup. You see, you got all your characters on here. You got we got Horny Boy, Santa. It's Santa Krampus, your boy Santa Krampus. You got we got Holiday Shopper. We get this confirmation of a new Tokyo Ghoul, where the ghouls have to become strippers. Very nice. That one girl from Persona 5, y'all know which one I'm talking about. We got another stripper. We got Genos. We got our boy Genos right there. We got the one dude from somewhere, I forget my joke. I'm not editing this, so. And then we got Thought. We got Mr. Freeze. And then we got. Wait, no. I know who these guys are. These are those two, Firefly and Captain Cold. Yep. Anyways, very good cup. Comes with this. Very nice. How am I supposed to wear a cup? Shit. Everything fell. Whoa. Everything fell. I got it all. Alright. So let's see what all I could have gotten in this box. My voice is probably muffled as hell right now. Alright. Oh, it's a big poster. Again, never saw this anime before in my life. But it's got two sides to it. It's very nice. Let's see what all we could have gotten here. That pin, that pin came in here. Let's see what all came in here. That pin, alright. The Claymore bandana. Goblin Slayer light novel. A June 9 Tenson Zodiac War bamboo cup. So this cup is made out of bamboo. Good to know. And they got Naruto Super Socks in that god awful shirt. And the posters on the front are pretty nice. But that's all my time for today. I'm done. Now I gotta go edit this shit. So until next time, stay lewd, don't be rude, and share, subscribe. Wait, no. Yeah. And one more thing. Come here, come closer. This that share, subscribe shit! Oh, the video's not over. Check out that one if I ever get to making end cards, and that one right there.